Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to download Binance wallet on your Android phone, right? And if you're using an iOS, then we don't have any issue. You can just follow these rules and you will get the Binance wallet. So let's go first of all into Play Store. If you're using iOS, then just go to the App Store. In the search bar, you have to type Binance, right? And after that you will get the application. Here you can see Binance, buy Bitcoin and crypto. So first of all, just click on install and just wait till the app get installed. Now the app is installed, so you can just go and search the Binance and just click on it. Once the app is open, just wait for a few seconds till it get open here, and here you will able to use this Binance wallet, right? You can just click on any of the option according to your requirement, right? And after that, just wait for 4 seconds, and here you have to log in with your account. You can just sign up with your email or with your phone number, and if you have Google account, then it's great, you can do with the same. So this is very easy to it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.